Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brevo to boost your conversions. If you want more people to take action, whether that means joining your list, booking a call, or making a purchase, Brevo gives you all the tools to turn more of your traffic into real results. So let's walk through the key areas that actually drive conversions inside of Brevo. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which teaches you everything you need to know step by step. Now, let's get started. One of the most effective ways to boost conversions is improving how you segment your audience. When you group people based on what they do, what they're interested in, or where they are in your funnel, your messages feel more relevant, and relevant messages convert at a much higher rate. With Brevo, you can create segments based on engagement, customer behavior, or customer attributes that you add to your contacts. This helps you avoid one size fits all messaging and send people exactly what they need at exactly the right time. Now, let's talk about automations. Automations are one of the biggest conversion boosters because they let you follow up with people consistently without doing it manually. Whether you want to send a welcome sequence to new subscribers, nurture potential customers, or follow up after someone shows interest in your offer, automation keeps the process running in the background. When people receive timely and helpful messages, automatically, you see more clicks, more responses, and more conversions. Another powerful way that Brevo helps is with conversions is the personalization. Instead of sending everyone the same content, you can personalize your messages with names, interests, tagged behaviors, and more. Even small touches like personalized recommendations or tailored resources make your emails feel more meaningful, which in turn leads to higher engagement. Now, let's talk about improving your communication itself. So, strong email content is one of the biggest conversion drivers. When your subject lines are clear and your call to action is simple, people respond. Brevo's editor lets you structure your message in a very clean way, highlighting key points and guide people toward the next step. Keep your message focused, keep your call to action obvious, and make sure that your readers know exactly what they should do next. Another key factor is boosting conversions with timing. Brevo lets you time your messages based on when your audience is most active, their behavior, or your workflow triggers. When emails reach people at the right moment, engagement increases naturally. Finally, always monitor your performance. Brevo gives you analytics that show how people interact with your messages. Look at your openings, your clicks, and your outcomes. If something is not performing well, make small adjustments and test new approaches. Over time, this data driven refinement leads to stronger and stronger conversion rates. And don't forget, if you want to get started with Brevo, use that link below for 50% off and full access to my full Brevo course. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.